Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited. I know. I said that I wasn't going to do the reveal today, but I decided I would. So this here is my little altered book, New Testament, and she has seen the better days. And I had to keep that intact. I just really wanted that to be part of the spine. And so let's see what I did here. I used a rusty nail paper clip, and this of course opens up like this. Now that it's had time to sit, it sits much better, and I kept it light so that it wasn't overflowing with stuff. A little pad here, and then this little tag here, put little special little notes and whatnot in there, and then this clip just kind of goes over top of both of them to kind of keep them from, flopping around. And this, of course, is a little tag that I did, and left a little bit of the New Testament there. And I thought this went very well with this kit because each of the pages has a little bit of gold on them. So this here is one of the pages that had this beautiful flower on there, and I just loved it. And so I cut it out and just used it as a little tuck spot. These are just some papers that I had left over from doing today's project. And then we have just a little card here for journaling, and this is the stuff pocket. So just a few things in there, and I put a butterfly on that, obviously. Anyways, so in this one here, I had to reinforce this book a lot. And this here is the backing tape. I did a reel with that. I really do have to thank you guys for all the support you showed me on that reel. This reel and the one that I did with the this reel. The one that I did with washi tape. It's been an amazing amount of watches for that. Anyways, so back to this. Oh, look at this dragonfly. I did that after. I had to cut more because I just love the dragonflies too. And then this here too I had cut out, so it's more of the washi tape and just a few little things to go in there. I just put one of those dragonflies onto one of the scraps because, that's what I do. And then some more of that. This is what I had trimmed off of the bookmark that I did. I love it. It's just so awesome. And this here is a tuck spot that I didn't put anything in, so I'm just gonna have to add something more to it. It's really quite the chunky monkey here, so I gotta be careful now. And then this here is just a little pocket. The papers are so gorgeous. Look at that. Like, I had to leave. I couldn't even touch that. Can't touch that. And then again, there's my packing tape. Love that page too. This is the page we worked on today with the little scrap pieces of paper and our little birds and dragonflies underneath there. And then of course our little cards here for journaling that we did. And this one here, I haven't put the little dangle on there yet, but I will. I'm looking for a dragonfly, and I'm pretty certain I have one. And this here is the, from that flower that I cut out. This is some of the leaves, so I chose to use them up. And then another pocket here and pocket here. And this, of course, is that little, which was supposed to be a little clutch purse for the makeup to go in there. And I chose, because it's already been used that way, I chose just to use it as a little tuck spot for myself. And then this here is top tuck. This is the bottom tuck. This is that tags that I did in the reel. I love the birds. Oh, so pretty. And then we have these pages, lots of writing pages. I love this one. This looks like a mixed media page to me. And then this one here, I reinforced the center like I did, but I turned this one into a pocket. So this is just a piece of the scrap paper. I thought, well, we'll fold it up and somebody can make some notes in there. And this is the little coffee cup with the hearts that I did on the reel. Some more pages. There's actually a lot of pages in here. Lots of writing pages, lots of pages yet to be decorated. There we go. Pretty, pretty. I can see I better put something in here. And that I will do. I don't want it falling apart on anybody. And then this here is what I did with all the lipstick and the mascara and the brush. The little piece. I made a little pocket on top of a pocket. And then on here is the little compact. Little fun little page. And this one here I chose just to leave it blank because I thought, well, somebody can decorate it themselves. This here is the packaging from the washi tape that I used in here. And just a piece of scrap paper. And one of the bonus pieces from the bonus pages today. And I had to get the puppy in there. So this was a fun altered book for me. And this one here is just a piece, again, a pocket and a piece of the scrap paper. This one here is just, I decided to use the dragonfly on there. And then this one here is another one of those little slip pockets. I could put something in there, or I could just leave it this way, maybe glue it down. Maybe it doesn't have to be anything at all. I don't know. But anyways, there's the little chunky monkey. And I love how it turned out. It feels really nice in the hand too. All right, so thanks for hanging out with me. Have yourselves an awesome weekend, and we'll see you next time.